Now, residents of Suna East constituency staged a passionate protest over the weekend, highlighting the dire state of roads in the area. The demonstration centered in Godjope village saw locals and boda riders barricading key transport routes with banana and maize plants, demanding immediate government intervention. Led by boda rider Patrick Obiero, Joash Ogere and Ken Odiaga, the protesters voiced frustrations over the daily challenges posed by the deteriorating roads. These conditions, they argue, have severe impacted transportation, trade and access to essential services. They lament of the impassable roads, especially during the rainy season.
From Wasio up to mahali inaitwa mwisho wa lami. Sijui ni kwa nini inaitwa mwisho wa lami, kwa sababu lami inafaa ipite mpaka Wasio. Tukitoka hapo watu wa pikipiki hatuwezi beba wa mama wetu kwenda Migori kwa sababu ya hii barabara. Tumechoka na hii barabara. Asipotengeneza hii barabara, Juma inayokuja tutakuja na ng'ombe tulime tupande mahindi. Barabara ipite Mapera, ipita Kanyamkago, na lazima wasipoangalia vizuri watang'olewa.
Hapa tunataka njia yetu itengenezwe, hatujakuja hapa kwa njia ya vita. Tunaomba tu mheshimiwa aje tutengenezee barabara.
We've had a challenge of the road upgrade from Kakrao all the way to Ogwethi. The Kakrao to Ogwethi road upgrade was advertised and was approved in 2019, and funds amounting to 1.1 billion shillings was allocated for the upgrade. Today, the contractor only did a section from Ogwethi Market to Oyoma, to Oyuma, which is a 12 kilometers road. The total road was 22 kilometers. So we are asking, as the residents of Godjope and the residents of Suna East, that why did the constructor stop construction of the road from Kakrao to Ogwethi?
And the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, NGAF, over the weekend gave 56